Hey, what's up guys, it's your friend back here with another video. So guys, today I am with my friend Srijog. He is my friend from my university and he is a rapper as well. So guys, today I am here to react on his latest rap. So without any delay, let's hear it from him.
Thank you, Bilal. What's up, guys? It's your boy Srijog, aka Alcohook. So Bilal is here today in my studio. Not actually a studio, my home studio, to listen to one of my recent songs, that's Alcohook, Samaj. Samaj is the title of the song, and Bilal is here to show his precious reactions. And without wasting any time, why do you think we're waiting here? Let's start.
Kezi on the beat.
सब थे यहाँ अब वो कहा जाने भी दो ना ये बुरा है समाज अकेलापन एक नया दौर मेरी जिंदगी में बन गया खुद ही मोड़ा सपने हजार सामने और परिवार सबका तपस्या पे झूठा व्यवहार सब
people, you know, that's why all the love from
The
people I wanted to kill it.
the volcanic effect what you have given, it was like really shocking.
Thank you,
बहुत
Bilal.
खतरनाक हिट हुआ वो तो.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
The volcanic movement.
इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे कि इतने लोगों ने इसके ऊपर इतना व्यूज दिया और इतना अच्छा मतलब you know
सपोर्ट किया
और आप भी आए यहाँ पे अपना रिएक्शन देने के लिए, तो बहुत सही लग रहा है मुझे. Guys,
I am like eagerly waiting. Let's continue.
He's probably one of the best friends that I've got to, you know, tell me he's literally he has his natural reaction. So let's go ahead and Bilal, I want to see more reaction from you.
Sure.
का होता है अलग सा मंजिल पर तकदीर का नहीं था मोड़ ये हाँ शुरू किया था मैंने अंधेरे से आज भी उस अंधेरे में ही पड़ा हूँ मैं एवरीडे यू ऑलवेज टू पे जिंदगी है झूठ बस होता फॉल प्ले ना बना कभी तू किसी का एस्ट्रे आगे बढ़ना है तुझे दैट्स योर ओनली वे आगे बढ़ना है तुझे तो थोड़ा तो सीख ले इस दुनिया के सामने बना है तुझे डीट रहे चाय से बनता नहीं यहाँ पे सबका सीन रहे फ्लाई अब है तो इस संसार का गीत पे अलग से दिखता है तो फिर भी इंसान है सपने हजार सामने सबको लगता सान है अपने ही साथ रहते अपने पे वार करते ला देते फाड़ देते बाहर से हमको मार देते सवाल करे तो हमको ये गा देते आगे बढ़ना चाहे तो हमको ये रोक लेते अकेला पंचायत तो हमको ये छोड़ देते फ्रीडम मांगा तो हमको ये ठोक देते सब थे यहाँ अब वो कहा
Bro, I want to stop here. This animation, इससे जरा अलग ही.
हाँ मतलब
people देखे ना.
ये एक्चुअली केजी ने बनाया वीडियो, तो उसने बताया कि भाई he actually asked me, you know, he actually asked me telling that can I put a middle finger in your video. I'm like, see, I'm not gonna be personal, but this is not personal to anyone. This is not gonna hit anyone personal. This is just for those people who think that youngsters aren't great. I see a 12-year-old, you know, doing vlogs. I see a 13-year-old producing music. I see a 10-year-old playing guitar like as a professional and all. But no one, you know, respects them because they're yet kids. And we have to come out of that mentality. So
I
you
are representing the youth.
Yeah.
But still, अब तक इतना जो देख के हूँ उसका जो start से लेके the lyrics, the beats, what you have come up with, it's like really awesome, buddy.
Thank you, Bilal. This means a lot. And you know, this song almost took around 2 to 3 days for making it. You know, the first day I got the beat, I was like, okay, I was grooving on it, and then I just took a pen and paper. I wrote the lyrics. As soon as I wrote the lyrics, I'm like, how will I even match this? This is not with syllables. This is not with neither this is with rhyming. I'm like, what do I do? After that, I shifted it to syllables. Okay, then slowly I got to know that first I wrote it as sama, that सब थे यहाँ अब वो कहा जाने भी दो ना ये है बुरा sama in the sense the period, the time period. Okay. So then I thought, why sama, let's make it Samaj. And trust me, Samaj has turned it up whole new level.
But अब तो इतना जो था जो represent किया, लेकिन it was like really awesome.
Thank you, Bilal.
I am like eagerly waiting. Let's finish this first.
Most thank you guys, cause you guys have been supporting us, and you know, that's why I could do this song, or else trust me, these sort of songs would be so underrated and all. Lots of people shower their love by their comments, you know, in the section, by their likes and all. Thank you guys for this, and do subscribe to Trident Vlogs too. Let's go ahead.
Let's go ahead.
बीतो ना ये बुरा है समाज समझ ना पाया जब तक किसी का साथ नहीं अकेले लड़ना उसमें किसी का ख्याल नहीं बुरा वक्त किसी का सबको आसान नहीं अकेले चले में कोई अलग सा स्वाद नहीं चलेंगे साथ में हम सबसे मिलकर रोकेगा कौन ये द बैडेस्ट मदरफकर ढूंढ के देख एक अपना है दुनिया बात चलेगा सिर्फ पास कोई औकात नहीं झूठ शायद बोलता हूँ पर ड्रीम सही देखते हैं मेरे अंदर जाग करे कोई कमी इतने साल के बाद आया एक नया सदी कोई कुछ नहीं बह रहा है ये नदी ड्रीम्स ना था पाने का कभी स्ट्रीम्स बस साथ दो अपना ऊंचा है सपना पाने का जुनून जो भरा है अंदर मारते हैं पीठ पे अब लेके कंजर सब वे यहाँ यहाँ अब वो कहा जाने भी दो ना
But I want to stop here. This what you had said and the animation what you have come up with, it's like completely matching. You have put up a whole story.
Probably all of us here would be an anime lover for sure.
Yeah.
So everyone's seen Dragon Ball Z, and you guys might know the story of Goku, how he was underrated and how he comes up in front of everyone as a king.
Like
So-
you are like representing yourself as an independent artist
no.
and the person who is coming.
You
like,
know, the person who's there, it's not me. The person who's there is those underrated artists who's been in the industry for ages now, but still haven't come up. You know, like this.
They've not got,
this. Yeah, they've not got
chance.
much exposure, you could say. Because what happens is most of the time, people who listen to their favorite artist, or they would see a new artist, they would see a new song by a new artist, they would be like, this guy is new in the industry, have you heard to his song? I would be like, that guy might seem to be new, but he's done lots of struggle to come to that heights. So
I
trust
got it.
me, lots of people are struggling out there, and this song is meant for them, you know, so that they get the boost in themselves and they come out in front of everyone as how our Bilal has been doing it. He's been struggling to come out through the vlogs, and surely he's gonna shine one day and he's gonna hit the cloud. He'll touch the clouds, he'll touch every
thanks,
song.
buddy. Thanks, buddy. And you are the one among them. Even you are like
Thank you, Bilal. That actually means,
representing the youths.
I would love to represent everyone at any time, and you know, probably if people are getting a message through my songs, I have no much to say. You guys are great.
Let's continue it.
Sure.
ये बुरा है समाज शॉर्ट और सीन रैप का ये प्रेम बनाता हूँ गाने सारे रंगीन इंडिपेंडेंट हाँ कोई नहीं है टीम फ्लो मेरा काटे तुझे हाँ हूँ मैं मीन ऐ हूँ मैं मीन ऐ हूँ मैं मीन अटक ले चलाते साले
So,
Bro, just I want to
That's-
ask you one thing. How you started this? Like how in my like college days, when I used to see you,
Yeah.
you were with like silent persons,
yeah.
and now you are like a professional rapper again.
Yeah, Bilal, that's so true. During my college days, I was an introvert, and probably now I'm trying to, you know, step out of it and be an extrovert, because, you know, during college days, what happened was I had this stage fear. I didn't have much stage fear, but I did have stage fear. I was scared to come in front of people and showcase my talent, or I wouldn't call it a talent, I would call it a blessing by God.
Yeah.
And trust me, even if I would try to make up to the stage, I wouldn't be able to sing, because I would go blank
Stage
looking
fear.
at lots of the audience and all. You know, a lot of people think that everyone can do it. Trust me, all of you can do it. If you think that in your mind, everyone can do it. It's just that the fear inside you, and that's what happened to me. I couldn't come up in front of people, and I couldn't sing. And so slowly, when I got out of college, there's no one who's gonna be there to judge me. That's what I felt. And what I did was I came up to I built my own small studio on top of my building, and that's where I did a small setup. And then I was like, okay, let's start some music, because that's what I had interest
The
in.
initiative what you have taken, that is the main thing, because many people,
Exactly.
they have got talent, but the initiative
they don't start it.
They
out.
don't start it.
I've seen that. So for those people, if you wanna start something in music, you can come up to me. You can DM me anytime. I'm here to help you.
And
As
he
well
is
as-
a professional rapper now, I can tell.
Thank you, Bilal. That means a lot. But guys, I'm yet not professional. I'm a basic
But what you
person.
had like represented it for the audience, like
Yeah. I just hope that audience relate to this, and you know, they groove along with this, and they come up with their own sort of lyrics. You know, they do their own beats. They come up independent, and for you guys, I'm always here to support you.
and the moment what you had, I guess you had texted me on Instagram, like let's collaborate, let's check.
Exactly.
That time, even I wanted to hear the song first because even making a reaction video for the first time, even that was
It's
something new
yeah.
for me. So the moment when that time I had heard the song, like I was going literally mad. I was like hearing it for the again and again.
Wow,
because-
that's so much of a blessing by Bilal to me that he's hearing my songs on loop. Thank you, Bilal. That means a lot to
No,
me.
like you deserve that, buddy. Like you have come up with such a professionalism. Like
No.
you can match up to your Hane Singh and Amy Bantai.
Oh my God, that's way much. Thank you. That means a lot.
I guess even the audience can feel it. If you do, just comment down below. Just support him. And
Thank you,
even
guys.
he
Thank you,
has
guys.
his own channel. Just can you just
Yeah. Guys, my channel name is Alcohook. It's
Link will be given.
ALCOHOOK. And as Bilal said, the link will be in the description.
You can
But
just check it out.
moreover, I want you guys to support him because he's been doing his everything. He's giving it all, guys. Just he's giving it all. He's coming up to my place, up to my studio, just for a reaction video. And trust me, that means a lot to me. And Bilal, you're gonna do
We
wonders
both are
soon.
there for each other, buddy.
Thank you, Bilal. This means a lot. And guys, Bilal, do you have any other question?
No, just I wanted to ask one more thing, like lyric.
Yeah.
How you have come up with that type of lyric? Even that was something like shocking to match that beat. And the person for
Yeah.
the new rapper, a growing person. How did you match that?
Yeah, what happens in these sort of topics? Like I've made songs before, like Andhera, Kala, Samaj.
Even I had heard that. Even
Yeah.
that was like really awesome.
And usually, you know what? First, I started from the introvert. Now I'm coming to the extrovert. You know, like first, if you listen to my songs, they were like Andhera, Kala was there, Upyog was there. What do they mean? Andhera is darkness. Kala means black. Because you know, I've seen that people, you know, they go racist and they tell you black. So that wasn't a message to them. That was just a simple message that we are also human beings, though we are black. And Andhera was all about my story. Plus, you know, those were introvert times.
But still, again, say
Those
that
lyrics-
like in every rap of yours, you are coming up some. There is some background story, I guess.
Yeah, that's true, Bilal. My pen is my wand. It's my magical wand where I'm not
That's
sure.
true.
I just listen to the beat. I put it in my earphones, and trust me, I've never written a beat. I've never written a song during my daytime. I've always written.
That's
songs
something,
in
I
my
guess. It's a blessing
nighttime.
from God. What people has like.
I love
it's like
that.
God gifted.
You
What
know,
I can say.
when you have a silent echo space and you know, you're gonna write your own songs in that silent place, trust me, you can do wonders by writing lyrics.
I want to ask you one more thing. Like,
Sure, Bilal.
how did you discover that you can be a rapper? Like,
Yeah, this story started in my 7th standard. 7th standard, what happened? I used to get bullied. Okay, so during this bully time, I didn't know how to like tell those people in normal words. I couldn't tell them stop this because I was scared of them. The same way I was scared of society. So what I did was I came up with my own way, and then I found music is something that I can link to. I used to listen to NF. NF is one of the greatest, finest rappers out there, and I'm always on loop to him. If
Like
you
you
listen
are,
to
like,
NF,
inspired from
yeah,
that
I'm
person.
inspired from him. All of his songs are related to his life. All of his songs, and looking at that thing, I was like, I can do this too. I can relate my life. I can write my own lyrics. I can have people listen, and I can motivate. If possible, I could help people relate to something that they have also faced in life, and they can come over it. So that is how all this journey started, Bilal.
Like, may I know when was your first rap which you had published on your YouTube?
Yeah, my first rap was about 7 months or 8 months ago from now. Probably it's been a year now because 2020 we spent it in home.
Yeah, like it was like Corona time.
Exactly. It was in February, as far as I believe. So another 2 months. It's gonna be Feb, and February was the first release of my song called as Andhera, and since then I've just been doing it.
Like, I am like sure my whole Trident family will like this. And
They
one more
will.
question what I want to ask is, like,
Sure,
when
man.
will be your official video for this particular rap will be coming out?
Official video is gonna be out in 2021 January. Because due to the circumstances, as all of us know, we are unable to shoot at particular locations, and which
even
we
it's very
think
hard
is
to-
authentic, and we need it. And trust me, the script is next level. If you listen, if you gonna wait for the video, it's totally worth it, guys.
And even this video, if you listen it, guys, it's like, I don't know, I can say it's like magic. Something magic is
Thank you, Bilal. This
coming.
means a lot. And mostly, thank you for coming to my studio, Bilal, and recording this wonderful vlog with the wonderful audience and the Trident family. Guys, namaste, and all of you stay home, stay
Stay
safe,
safe.
and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hope you enjoyed this reaction video.
And
if you did,
hit
a
like
like.
and subscribe to Trident Vlogs.
comment
and
down below, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to his channel. Link will be given in description.
Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.